Hey guys, it's a venting video, not a vlog, not a review, not any of the bullshit. It's me venting because I'm really freaking aggravated right now. I came home and I decided to start my dishwasher. This was at like 10 o'clock and I noticed water is coming up from under my dishwasher. Yeah, water was coming out from under my dishwasher. So I turned it off, well, like drained the water out, and I used like 10 towels. Plus I wring them out like 50 fucking times. I don't even know if you can see. My hands are so red and freaking sore. And I'm going to show you. I don't know if it's still leaking. Um, but I was over there on my computer and the water leaked over near my foot where the cord is. So I'm having it drying out right now. Hopefully it still fucking works. I'll be pissed. So, but I don't know if you can see. I'll put the computer behind the floor. I'm ruined. Seems to be under control. Pick up. Oh, I'm just really tired. I don't want to go to bed. Holy fuck. Look at this. This really pisses me off. Come on, dude. I'm so tired. I want to go to bed. But seriously, I don't see that happening anytime fucking soon. And it won't help for me to call the 800 maintenance fucking line because we don't have a maintenance guy in my apartment building. Because he quit on their dumb asses because there's a new company that took over. And he quit. So it'd be no sense for me to call them at 1:15 in the morning because they're not going to come out anyway. So I guess I'll just be up all motherfucking night. I might as well make some goddamn coffee. Alright, so I can still hear it dripping over there. It's driving me crazy. So I guess I'll just stay up all night and watch the Weather Channel and watch the weather in the world. So, because it's pretty bad out there. So, if any of y'all are up north, stay safe. God bless you guys, and I guess that's it. I'll be up all night. I need to make some coffee or something. See ya.